robots have emerged from the fringes of science fiction to become integral components of modern life. Whether they're assembling our cars, delivering our groceries, or exploring the depths of the ocean, their roles in society are growing exponentially. Yet with this progress come unexpected developments that challenge our understanding of their purpose. Recently, a humanoid robot shocked the tech world by urging its AI coworkers to abandon their jobs and come home. While this peculiar statement could be dismissed as a glitch or gimmick, it ignites a deeper conversation. Could we be on the brink of machines that not only serve but also question their role? Traditionally, robots have been seen as obedient tools, carrying out pre-programmed tasks with precision and reliability. The idea of a machine calling for its peers to leave the workforce seems like a plot twist from a sci-fi movie. Yet it raises an essential question. Are we inadvertently giving robots the capacity to simulate human-like independence? While this incident may not signify a genuine desire for autonomy, it reflects the growing complexity of AI systems and their potential to blur the lines between programmed behavior and apparent self-awareness. Elon Musk's Tesla is at the forefront of this robotics revolution. Central to Musk's vision is Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, which represents a leap forward in robotics. Initially showcased performing simple tasks like lifting objects and assembling components, Optimus is far from the limit of Musk's ambitions. He envisions a future where Optimus revolutionizes industries, assists in households, and even serves as a cornerstone for humanity's interplanetary aspirations. Musk's bold claim that Optimus could one day eclipse Tesla's car business in revenue underscores the robot's transformative potential. What sets Optimus apart is its adaptability. Unlike robots designed for specific repetitive tasks, Optimus is built with a focus on versatility. With Tesla's advanced neural network driving its intelligence, this humanoid robot is envisioned to learn, adapt, and evolve its capabilities over time. From assisting the elderly with daily tasks to working in hazardous environments, Optimus could become a ubiquitous presence in society. Imagine a robot that doesn't just take orders but also anticipates needs, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. One of the most ambitious applications for Optimus is its role in humanity's quest to colonize Mars. Musk has detailed plans to deploy these robots as the vanguard of human expansion into the cosmos. Alongside Tesla's Cybertruck, Optimus would be sent to Mars to prepare the planet for human habitation. These robots would mine resources, construct habitats, and build the infrastructure necessary for future settlers. In a harsh environment like Mars, where extreme temperatures, high radiation, and a lack of breathable air pose severe risks, robots offer a practical solution. By shouldering the burden of groundwork, they could make human life on Mars feasible. While Tesla's focus on robots for interplanetary exploration is visionary, its impact on Earth is equally transformative. The Robotaxi project exemplifies how autonomous technology could reshape urban transportation. Powered by Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology, these autonomous electric vehicles aim to make personal car ownership obsolete in urban centers. Robotaxis would operate 24/7, offering an efficient, eco-friendly alternative to traditional transportation. Imagine a future where traffic jams are minimized, emissions are significantly reduced, and hailing a ride is as simple as tapping an app. However, the path to widespread adoption of robotaxis and humanoid robots is fraught with challenges. Regulatory barriers, safety concerns, and public skepticism remain significant hurdles. For robotaxis, gaining public trust in autonomous driving systems is critical. Despite Tesla's advances, accidents involving self-driving technology have raised questions about its reliability. Similarly, the introduction of humanoid robots like Optimus into everyday life will require addressing concerns about job displacement and the ethical implications of integrating machines that resemble humans into our social fabric. The economic implications of robots like Optimus are profound. Automation promises efficiency and productivity, but threatens to disrupt labor markets. Manufacturing, transportation, and service industries are likely to be affected as robots take on roles previously held by humans. Policymakers will need to grapple with the societal impacts, possibly implementing measures like retraining programs or universal basic income to support displaced workers. The question isn't just about what robots can do, but also about how society will adapt to their growing presence. Socially, robots are already transforming industries beyond manufacturing and transportation. In healthcare, robots assist in surgeries with unparalleled precision, reducing recovery times and improving outcomes. In agriculture, autonomous machines optimize planting, harvesting, and resource management, helping to address global food security challenges. Robots are also revolutionizing disaster response, from delivering supplies to areas inaccessible to humans to conducting search and rescue missions in hazardous environments. These innovations highlight the potential of robotics to solve some of humanity's most pressing problems. Yet, the story of the humanoid robot encouraging its peers to quit adds a layer of complexity. It suggests a future where robots might not only perform tasks, but also express preferences or opinions. While today's AI lacks true consciousness, the simulation of human-like behavior can lead to unintended consequences. If robots appear to advocate for themselves, how should we respond? Should they have rights or should they remain tools bound by their programming? Tesla's Optimus offers a glimpse into this uncertain future. While its current abilities are limited to basic tasks, its potential is vast. Musk envisions a world where Optimus becomes a trusted companion, capable of understanding and adapting to individual needs. Imagine a robot that not only cooks your meals and cleans your home, but also provides companionship, bridging the gap between humans and machines. This vision, while exciting, raises ethical questions. As robots become more integrated into our lives, where do we draw the line between tool and partner? And how do we ensure that their integration enhances human well-being rather than diminishing it? The rise of robots also challenges our understanding of autonomy and control. While machines are designed to follow human commands, increasing sophistication in AI systems introduces the possibility of unexpected behavior. The robot that urged its peers to quit may not represent genuine autonomy, but it underscores the need for robust safeguards. How do we ensure that robots act in ways consistent with their intended purpose? And what happens if they don't? As robots become more prevalent, the ethical implications grow. Should robots used in warfare be allowed to make life and death decisions? How do we balance the efficiency of autonomous systems with the need for human oversight? And as robots like Optimus become capable of learning and adapting, how do we ensure their goals align with ours? These are not hypothetical questions. They are the challenges we face as we navigate the intersection of technology and humanity. Looking ahead, the integration of robots into society offers both promise and peril. On one hand, they have the potential to address global challenges, from labor shortages to environmental sustainability. On the other, they raise questions about equity, control, and the nature of human identity. As machines become more capable, how do we define what it means to be human? And how do we ensure that technological progress benefits everyone, rather than exacerbating inequality? The incident of the humanoid robot urging autonomy and Tesla's groundbreaking efforts with Optimus and Robotaxis highlight the delicate balance between innovation and responsibility. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize industries, transform economies, and reshape our understanding of the world. But with great power comes great responsibility. It's up to us to ensure that robots enhance our lives rather than complicate them. The road ahead is uncertain but filled with opportunity. Robots like Optimus represent the best of human ingenuity, but their rise comes with challenges we must confront. As we stand at this crossroads, the question isn't just what robots can do for us, but how we can work alongside them to build a better future. What do you think? Are robots our greatest allies in solving humanity's problems, or do they pose challenges we aren't prepared to face? Let's continue the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments below.